Welcome back to BreachLine. Millions of people look forward to vacations every year, but one misstep could turn your dream trip into a nightmare. You may not know that many of the most popular booking sites use the same platform to make hotel reservations. So what happens when that platform is breached? That question was answered in the fall of 2020 when cloud hospitality was breached, affecting 24 gigabytes worth of data and an estimated 10 million customers. Along with the expected selling of PII, the breach opened up an opportunity for scammers to craft new and dangerous schemes. They could spoof a travel agent and reserve an already booked hotel room for unsuspecting guests, or hijack the vacation themselves without spending a dime. Even darker, if any embarrassing info was revealed with a hotel reservation, the scammer could use that to extort their victims. The breach occurred due to misconfigured software, which was fortunately secured a day later. Still, many travelers suffered because of one company's mistake and were laden with more stress during their time of relaxation. Remember that breaches can strike you from anywhere, so always be prepared. I'll see you next time on BreachLine.